The joy and comforts of heaven and paradise, if you measure them, if you keep all the pleasures and comfort of heaven on one side of the weighing scale, and on the other side, you put the happiness and bliss you attain from spiritual discourses, then the side which holds the pleasure of heaven and paradise will turn out to be lighter, and the side with the happiness and contentment from spiritual discourse or satsang and beholding a holy seeker or saint and their blessings is going to be heavier. Many saints have spoken about the significance of satsang, that there is no bigger gain in our lives than satsang, and nothing gives us more happiness than this. It gives us joy that is difficult to obtain and rare and is only attainable with the blessings of God. The luck starts favoring the people who listen to satsang and they start overcoming their challenges in life. This has been expressed in many compositions and spiritual discourses by saints over time. Satsangati Mudha Mangala Mula, which means that the satsang is the root cause of all happiness, welfare, luck and fortune. Bhakti Swatantra Sakal Gunakhani Binu Satsang Na Pavahi Prani. This is a shloka from Ramcharitmanas. Sat Sangat Mada Mangala Mula Soi Phala Siddhi Sab Sadhan Phula. See, in a tree, one part is the root and its end product is the fruits. The tree has roots that hold it steady, and the end product, the concluding product, is the fruit. The roots are present underneath the ground, and the flowers and fruits are present above the ground, hanging from the branches. But satsang is the root as well as the fruit of our being. All the other parts of the tree, be it the leaves or the flowers, so all these other parts of the tree, be it flowers, leaves or branches, they work as a medium to form the final product, which is the fruit. But the abstract or the crux of the tree is the fruit. But satsang is the root as well as the fruit. This analogy means that those who have received satsang's fruit have also achieved its roots and everything that is in between. Satsang is the ultimate cure of the worldly pains and anguish. As I said in the morning today, satsang is like a moving holy pilgrimage. The one in Allahabad happens once in 12 years, but satsang is all pervading. Today is Mauni Amavasya, and on this auspicious day, to get an opportunity to listen to such a satsang that can result in achieving a virtuous and righteous life with the blessings of God.